So guys, I'm going to teach you on how you can, in fact, create your own resource pack. And it's actually very simple. So first you want to go down here to this. Then you want to right click it and click run. You want to put in %app data %. Then, sorry for coughing. Then you want to scroll down until you see .minecraft, and then you want to scroll down until you see versions, and then you're going to want to click on versions, and you're going to want to drag and drop the version you want to use to create your resource pack. So I'm going to use 1.8 for my example. So then you're just going to want to drag it out, then double click on it, and then once you double click on it, you're going to want. Wait 1 second, I have to use something else for my example because this version does not want to show the Java thing. So you just want to double click on the thing you want to, and then you want to right click on 1.16.5, and then you want to click extract here if you have WinRAR. I recommend getting WinRAR, which I'll have a download link for WinRAR. So then you want to click extract here. And then it will take a while, but you'll get all of your files. And all you really need is the assets folder. So you can just delete the rest. It won't really mess with your installation at all. So yeah, you guys can just remove the everything except for assets. So you want to open assets, Minecraft. And then you can go to textures, which has most of the item texture, which has all of the item textures. So I'm gonna look for diamond armor for a example. Okay, so let's say you want to create a new what's it called? A new Hypixel resource pack. So all you have to do, so I recommend doing edit with Paint 3D because you can insert tons of you can insert photos. So you can just edit the diamond boots and diamond leggings for the I don't know, but so I'm just gonna create a quick layout. Corrupted diamond boots. Okay. Okay, so now you just want to click the X for Paint 3D and then save, and then it will automatically save, and you'll see your changes right at the image. And then once you're done with creating your texture pack, you just want to right click on the texture pack thing, and first you want to get pack.mc meta, and 1 second. Okay, so you want to drag and drop pack.mc meta. So let me just find it really. Okay, this will make it easier. Okay, crap. Okay. Okay, so yep, I'm close to packet.mc.meta. So you want to paste this thing into your. So you want to create a. Wait 1 second. So you want to create a So you want to go to new and create a new text document, which I already did that. I'm not going to create a new one. And then you want to just paste this into there, and then do Packname and then just I'll save as, then just do pack.mc meta. And you're not gonna want to do you're not gonna want to keep the .txt in it, or else it won't work. And this just shows the numbers, shows the version that you're using. This just shows the version that you're gonna use. And you can even name it, its description, and just copying this so that I can put it into the description of the video. And then just want to close out, and after that you're gonna want to click on you're gonna want to right click on the folder, and then you're gonna want to just hold on to send to, and then compress zip folder. And after that you can just add it to your mods folder like you do with all of your other mods. So yeah, just so you that it saves. Yeah, see, it saves. So yeah, guys, thanks for choosing my tutorial video over others. Hope you have an awesome day. See you later. Bye.